How to turn off MSN newsfeed on Microsoft Edge. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Microsoft Edge application. And as you can see here, I've got this MSN newsfeed all covering up all of my homepage. So what you want to do is, if you want to remove this, first off, find the settings icon at the top right on the page settings. If you don't find it here, what you can do is click on the three lines at the top right, then go to settings page, and then from here you're going to have to find start, home, and new tab page on the left side of your screen, and then just scroll down a bit until you find this new tab page, and then from here you can customize your new tab. And if you want to preload your new tab page, it will open up a new tab page in the background for a faster experience. Now just click on this customize page option. This menu will pop up on your screen. So if you want to hide these sponsored links, turn this one off. And then if you want to open in a new tab, turn this one off as well. And then you'll get this show content option. Just toggle this off. Now all of your news feed will now be gone. If you want to show the feed, you can tap this, or if you want to hide it, just go ahead and turn this one off. And then from here, you can change your full page view, partial page, or the headings only as well. But I'm just going to keep everything off. And you can turn on the background or turn it off as well, depending on your choice. So that's how you basically remove the MSN newsfeed page on Microsoft Edge. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.